Alright, hi, my name is Jessica Mackwood. I'm here doing another presentation for our microbiology lab. We are working on biochemical testing for microbial identification. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be testing the carbohydrate fermentation. We will make sure we need our fennel red broth base. And I went ahead and I labeled all of them already. We are going to have number 1, which is going to be based up of the Epi as well as the CeraV. I'm abbreviating them for easier use for labeling my tubes. So you're going to have 1 of each. We have 6 of those, and I have 6 of the Durham tubes in alcohol soaking up, making sure that they are sterile for this part of our presentation. So now that I have everything labeled, what we're going to do is I'm going to light my candle, and this is going to help me sterilize everything. And with that lit candle, we're going to go ahead and take the first tube, which is the number 1 CeraV, and remove the lid and pass it over the flame to sterilize it. And you want to be careful when you're doing this because you don't want to burn it and you don't want any of the fluids to drop out on the candle. Alright, and once that's done, we are going to go ahead and carefully transfer half of the glucose powder into the vial. Alright, so that's half of it. And then we're going to pass the lip of the vial over the flame a second time. Replace the lid, just like so, and we're going to shake until the powder is dissolved. It's a little bubbly, looks like it's being shaken. I don't really see any powder, I just see bubbles, so I'm going to go ahead and just place that. And I'm going to go ahead and continue to the next one, which is going to also be the glucose. So we're repeating the steps for all of them and placing in half the powder until we have everything that we need. Alright, so I'm finding that rest the half of that glucose. Gonna go ahead and pour the rest in. Just like so. And re-sterilizing the lip. Placing the cap back on and shaking until that powder is dissolved. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and repeat those steps. And what we're going to end up doing is putting these little pipelets into C. And what we're testing is to see if there's air bubbles that go into those little pipelets. And that's going to tell us if there's carbohydrates in there. And it's based off of the bubbles that we see. That is my presentation for today. And I can't wait to see the results. Stay tuned to see my lab report. Thank you very much.